Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Maintaining the cleanliness and orderliness of your home. You should have knowledge in doing household chores, for example, keeping the desktop monitor free from dust by using a clean rag.
Audio Jungle.
Maintain a comfortable surrounding while doing in your workplace.
Audio Jungle.
Maintain a good ventilation within your workplace as well as to keep the computer free from overheating.
Audio Jungle.
In doing such things, we are able to control hazard and avoid accident that may happen.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Accidents happen unexpectedly, but we could avoid this by being prepared and ready and alert.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
When brownout happens, always keep a flashlight within your reach.
Audio Jungle.
Substitution, for example, in cleaning your keyboard, if you don't have any compressed air, a clean rag instead.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
For your computer set, you can use a simple table in substitution of the